Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm T. Ferrati, and today I'll show you how to report a TikTok account. Whether it's a fake account, impersonation, or involved in fraudulent activities, reporting is simple. First, click on the search icon at the top corner of your screen. Search for the account you want to report, or you can use the account displayed on your homepage. Tap on the profile, then hit share at the top corner. Next, select report at the bottom of your screen. If you're reporting a specific video, go directly to it and report it. For reporting the entire account, choose Report Account Now. Tell TikTok the reason for the report, such as inappropriate content, impersonation, underage users, fraud, counterfeit, or intellectual property violations. I'll choose frauds and scam for this example. Click Submit and you're done. If multiple users report the account, TikTok will automatically block it. That's how easy it is to report an account on TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let me know in the comments if you found it useful or if you have any questions. I'll be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.